Take your daily ACV shot as a gummy. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most powerful things we can use to boost our health. This natural miracle offers a myriad of health benefits, such as improved digestion, a lower risk of heart diseases, and regulated blood sugar levels. Yet, many people find it hard to drink it, so we suggest another alternative: apple cider vinegar gummies. To make them, you need some apple cider vinegar, water, apple juice, and grass-fed gelatin. Gelatin offers numerous benefits for the skin, joints, and gut, while the apple juice will neutralize the bitterness of the apple cider vinegar. Here is how to prepare it. Apple cider vinegar gummies recipe. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cook time, 1 hour 5 minutes. Ingredients: ½ cup apple cider vinegar, 1½ cups organic apple juice, ½ cup water, 5 tablespoons gelatin powder. You will also need large saucepan, wooden spoon, silicone ice cube trays or molds. Instructions: in a larger saucepan, mix the vinegar, apple juice, and water, and sprinkle the gelatin powder. Stir well, and set it aside for a few minutes. Then, simmer it on a medium heat for 5 minutes, while stirring constantly with a wooden spoon, to dissolve the gelatin. Next, just pour the mixture into silicone trays, and place them in the refrigerator for an hour to solidify. You can also pour the gelatin mixture into a deep dish, and when it is solid, cut it into smaller pieces. Then, enjoy the gummies and allow apple cider vinegar to boost your health in numerous ways. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.